Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which of the following is not a dinosaur? Is it A. Pterodactyl, B. Brachiosaurus, C. Stegosaurus, or D. Triceratops? The answer is A. Pterodactyl.
Despite often being depicted alongside dinosaurs, the pterodactyl was actually a flying reptile known as a pterosaur. Unlike dinosaurs, which were primarily land-dwelling creatures, pterodactyls soared through prehistoric skies with wingspans that could reach over 30 feet. Their unique anatomy included hollow bones and elongated fingers supporting their wing membranes.
Question 2. What suffix is added to a word to denote a cell? Is it A. Plasty, B. Ectomy, C. Site, or D. Toma? The answer is C. Site.
The suffix site comes from the Greek word kaitos, meaning container or vessel. It's used in biology to denote cells, like an erythrocyte for red blood cells. This tiny suffix helps scientists categorize and understand the myriad of cell types that make up living organisms.
Question 3. What is a baby sheep known as? Is it A. fry, B. a lamb, C. a caterpillar, or D. a maggot? The answer is B. a lamb.
A baby sheep, known as a lamb, is not just adorable but also historically significant. In ancient Rome, lambs were symbols of purity and sacrifice. During spring festivals, Romans would celebrate by adorning lambs with flowers to honor the goddess Flora, marking the renewal of life and nature's bounty.
Question 4. What does the acronym NASA stand for? Is it A. National Astronaut and Shuttle Association, B. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, C. National Aerospace and Shuttle Administration, or D. National Aerospace and Space Association? The answer is B. National Aeronautics and Space Administration.
NASA, established in 1958, was born from the space race between the U.S. and the Soviet Union. Its predecessor, NACA, National Advisory Committee for Aeronautics, focused on aeronautical research. NASA's creation marked a pivotal shift toward space exploration, leading to monumental achievements like landing humans on the Moon with Apollo 11 in 1969.
Question 5. What type of shape might be obtuse or isosceles? Is it A. rectangle, B. a circle, C. a triangle, or D. a square? The answer is C. a triangle.
Triangles are fascinating shapes with a rich history in mathematics and art. The ancient Egyptians used isosceles triangles to construct the pyramids, ensuring stability and symmetry. Meanwhile, obtuse triangles have angles greater than 90 degrees, making them perfect for creating unique architectural designs that challenge conventional aesthetics.
Question 6. Which continent are zebras native to? Is it A. South America, B. Europe, C. Africa, or D. Australia? The answer is C. Africa.
Zebras, native to Africa, are known for their striking black and white stripes. Each zebra's pattern is unique, much like human fingerprints. These stripes may serve as a natural sunscreen and help deter biting flies by confusing them with optical illusions. Zebras also communicate through facial expressions and vocalizations.
Question 7. Which of these can be found in the knee? Is it A. Trochanter, B. Meniscus, C. Adenoid, or D. Amygdala? The answer is B. Meniscus.
The meniscus is a C-shaped piece of cartilage in the knee that acts like a shock absorber, cushioning the joint during movement. Interestingly, ancient Greek physicians believed it was responsible for controlling emotions, linking its name to meniskos, meaning crescent, due to its shape resembling a crescent moon.
Question 8. What is the word for a group of pheasants? Is it A. clouder, B. a sedge, C. an eye, or D. a parliament? The answer is C. an eye.
A group of pheasants is called a nai, a term that adds an air of mystery to these colorful birds. The word nai is derived from the Old French word nuée, meaning cloud, perhaps reflecting how these birds can appear as a vibrant, moving cloud when in flight.
Thanks for orbiting our science and nature quiz. We hope you had a blast and didn't find it too taxing on your brain cells. Stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Let's part ways for now, until tomorrow arrives. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.